Okay, 1980 Corvette caliper rebuild. Ordered the kit from Zip Corvette. Got new springs. I'm using the old pistons. Little word to the wise, when you're pressing in these O-rings, I found the tool that works pretty good. It's just a plastic pry bar that we use for vinyl wrapping, and that you run around the edge of this to press that in, and I'll show you a little bit later. All right, once you got these seals on the bottom, you're going to press this in, but as you can see, the seal is bigger than the cylinder itself. So that's when you use this tool to kind of work it around, pressing it in without damaging the ring. Some say to use screwdrivers. I find this to be much more flexible and less likely to damage the ring. The other thing you do is once you got that pressed in, you're going to use the top seal to put on top of here. Once that's down, you're going to press that on. And then I use a socket. This is a, what size is this? A 1 1/4 inch. And that seems to fit perfect over it. And you tap it with a hammer, locking it in. Another little trick I learned: when you're rolling these gaskets on, or rubber seals, make sure you run your finger from the top side around, and if the O-ring or seal flipped, it will flip back to the correct. You want to make sure that that opening is on the bottom and the flare out is pointing down.